The kayako are also aware that not everything happens according to planning. In the course of every day, there will be opportunities to respond to spontaneous events. The visit to the lake was filled with unplanned events. As they set about picking up rubbish, some children spotted a spider's web, and this became a case for much discussion and a search for more. Later, they discovered a dandelion, and the kayako had to look up the word in a dictionary when they returned to the kohanga. The stage near the lake also attracted the children, who began a spontaneous concert performing favourite haka and waiata. In summary, planning in this kohanga reo has been centred around language, songs, resources, trips, children's individual needs and interests, activities and spontaneous events.